forgot I picked lemons yesterday, so that gave me an idea. Let's make lemon cake. Yeah. So here are the ingredients, and right now I've heated my oven up to 350 degrees, so that's hot now, and we're just gonna make it. So now let's put the dry ingredients in first.
What is that?
This is the flour, all-purpose flour that we're going to put in, that we're going to have in the cake. And then now we're going to have some Himalayan salt. And we've got baking powder. Okay, now we're going to put sugar. I like to use a wooden spoon mostly, but if you want to use a fork or a spoon, then you can use that. But I'd much rather use a wooden spoon. So now we're going to put in the wet ingredients, which is all this. So what I've got left. So we've got some Greek yogurt here, which I always use for my cake. To mix that. This is a tough one. Okay, now put the eggs. Okay, now we're going to put in some vanilla extract.
Like a half teaspoon.
Half teaspoon of vanilla extract. This smells good. Okay, now I'm going to put some vegetable oil.
Don't you want to mix it more?
Okay, now we're going to put some lemon juice. But I just use a full lemon. There's plenty of flour down here. Okay, now I'm going to put lemon zest. Okay. Just pour that out.
Smells of a lemon.
Yeah. Talking about organic fruits and vegetables, organic is really good because there's a big difference of taste and smell, like this lemon that I chose from my garden, and the smell was much different, and the taste is really going to be good after I make this cake, because thanks to my mom's friend, she came up with this idea and she gave the recipe to us, so now we're making it, and when we made it, it was really delicious and we started loving it. So I'm ready now, and now that the cake batter is fully mixed, I'm going to pour it into this, what do you call it? I forgot, so I'll just call it a baking tray. This guy is getting bigger. Okay. Now let's get the rest out of here. So now we're going to I'm just going to drop this pan a few times so we can take out the air and to make it flat. Whoa. Okay, now let's put it into the oven. We're going to put it into the oven for about 55 minutes. This is it, guys.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! The cake's done already. This guy looks goody.
Be careful.
Look at this, guys. So right now the cake is out, and now I'm going to take the paper off. And you can eat it hot, but I'm going to wait for it to cool down for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. So I'm ready to cut now, and let's see what it looks like in the middle. Smells really good. Let me try it. Let me have a bite.
Anjaka o tam